PDF logger. Configuring. You don't need to download any drive application. Plug the logger to the USB port. The green LED light will be on when connected. If the toolboxes are grayed out, it means the USB port of the computer is locked. Please use laptop. Enter the file.
There are 5 language choices.
The original setting is English. Sampling rate, from 30 seconds to 2 hours. Start delay, the time delayed after start button is pressed. Unit,
Fahrenheit or Celsius.
password, setting password to enter configuring. Company name, it will be displayed on the report. Alarm type, single, disable or cumulative. Overall average value exceeds alarm threshold. Alarm delay for cumulative. Alarm limits, alarm triggers when the value is below the minimum or above the maximum. Once you complete, press Save to confirm the settings. Close the window and remove the logger.
You can change the settings before you long press the Start button. Long press the Start button for about 2 seconds. Green LED blinks every 2 seconds during logging. Press Mark key can place a bookmark during delivery transition. Seal the zipped bag, ready for packaging and delivery. After receiving, long press Stop to stop logging, or plugging the logger into the USB port will also stop logging. Export data. PDF file will be automatically generated.